Slack versus Microsoft Teams. Which team chat app is better? Choosing the right team chat app can completely change how you collaborate without communication breakdowns. Slack offers streamlined messaging, while Microsoft Teams integrates deeply with Office 365 tools. Slack and Microsoft Teams are two leading team chat apps designed to boost workplace communication. The core difference lies in Slack's focus on flexible messaging and integrations, while Teams emphasizes seamless collaboration within the Microsoft ecosystem. Slack is a cloud-based messaging platform built for team communication and collaboration. It organizes conversations into channels based on projects, topics, or departments, making it easy to keep discussions focused. Slack supports direct messaging, voice and video calls, and extensive integrations with over 2,000 apps, including Google Drive and Trello. Its powerful search functionality helps teams quickly find past messages and files. Slack's intuitive interface and customizable notifications enhance user experience, especially for teams that rely heavily on messaging. However, Slack's free version limits message history and integrations, and its pricing can increase significantly for larger teams. It's ideal for startups, creative teams, and organizations that prioritize flexible communication and app connectivity outside of Microsoft's ecosystem. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform tightly integrated with the Microsoft 365 suite. It combines chat, video conferencing, file storage, and app integration in one hub. Teams channels support threaded conversations, making it easier to follow discussions. Its deep integration with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and SharePoint streamlines document collaboration without switching apps. Teams also offers robust security and compliance features, making it suitable for enterprises and regulated industries. Although Teams can feel complex initially, its all-in-one approach reduces the need for multiple tools. Some users may find its interface less intuitive than Slack's, and non-Microsoft users might face limitations. Teams is best suited for organizations already invested in Microsoft 365, looking for a unified collaboration experience with enterprise-grade features. Slack excels in flexibility and third-party integrations, perfect for teams needing diverse app connections and straightforward messaging. Its simple interface favors fast communication and startup environments. Microsoft Teams shines in integrated collaboration, especially for companies using Microsoft 365 apps daily. Teams video conferencing and file sharing are seamless within its ecosystem but can be overwhelming for new users. Slack's pricing may rise quickly with scale, while Teams is often bundled with existing Microsoft licenses, offering cost advantages. Choosing Slack means prioritizing communication agility. Choosing Teams means prioritizing a centralized workspace with strong document collaboration and security. Slack is recommended for teams valuing flexible messaging and extensive app integrations, especially outside the Microsoft ecosystem or in fast-moving startup environments. Microsoft Teams is ideal for organizations deeply embedded in Microsoft 365, seeking a unified collaboration platform with strong security and document management. Selecting the right app depends on your team's existing tools and collaboration needs for maximum productivity.